Vaccine for all within the state. The announcement comes months after TMC mocked the BJP for promising free vaccine in Bihar. BJP has now trained its guns on Mamata Banerjee, saying that the government is trying to steal the credit for vaccines sent by the centre. Here's what went by. Mamata Banerjee has announced free vaccines for Bengal months ahead of the upcoming state polls, asserting that the state will pay for vaccine shots to everyone in the state. But rewind to October 2020, TMC was speaking in a different tone. Then targeting the BJP over its free vaccine pledge in poll-bound Bihar.
हम इधर प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं बिहार में हर एक के लिए मुफ्त में वैक्सीन मिल जाएगा। वो हमारे पहला संकल्प पत्र के प्रॉमिस है। भरोसा के साथ बिहार की जनता को हम आश्वासन दिलाना चाहते हैं कि वैक्सीन फ्री में आप सबको मिलेगा।
Mamata's party had then mocked the free vaccine pledge, saying each Indian state will need polls to get free vaccines. The BJP questioned Mamata's promise, accused her of taking credit for the centre's free vaccination plan.
It is the central government scheme. The central government has devised a protocol, a system of priorities who are going to receive the vaccines first. That is the frontline workers who are combating COVID, and thereon this senior citizens, people with comorbidity and all that. Now all of a sudden Mamata Banerjee jumps the gun and claims some political advantage out of it. It's very typical of her.
Meanwhile, several states have urged the centre to provide free vaccines to all Indians.
कल मुख्यमंत्री जी ने डिमांड की है, ट्वीट किया था, उन्होंने कहा था कि पूरे देश में मुफ्त दी जानी चाहिए। और 3 दिन पहले यूनियन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर के साथ मेरी बीसी थी, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग थी, तब भी मैंने उनके सामने रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि भाई देश के सभी नागरिकों को मुफ्त दी जानी चाहिए।
The upcoming vaccine has been target of sustained politicking. Congress had questioned the efficacy of Indian-made Covaxin, calling its nod as rushed. SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav had dubbed them as BJP vaccines, asserting he will not take it.
देखिए, मैं तो नहीं लगवाऊंगा अभी वैक्सीन। मैंने अपनी बात कह दी, और वो भी बीजेपी लगाएगी, उसका भरोसा करूंगा मैं? अरे जाओ भाई, अरे अपनी सरकार आएगी, सबको फ्री वैक्सीन लगेगी। हम बीजेपी का वैक्सीन नहीं लगवा सकते।
The government of West Bengal's decision to distribute the COVID-19 vaccine free of cost is not only welcomed by the people but also looked upon by the political parties. Knowingly that the central government would play a crucial role in it, it would be interesting to watch on what lies ahead for both the people of West Bengal and the state and central government too. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.